So, welcome back, guys, to Let's Play Transformers War for Cybertron. If you guys watched my last video, you saw we had thousands of trouble. And by thousands, I mean a lot. Ooh, look. Looks like one of those Autobots. I don't really need this, so... I don't want to lose my overshield, though. What? Where? I know I said I wouldn't transform, but that was just a boost. Oh. Hi there. Oh wait, that's not like I'm just like doopy doopy doo. I'm like, hey, why are you going backwards? What way? Oh. I hope I can still it over. Yeah. Let's go! And I gotta do something. 1 second. And I am back. Okay, well, I don't think I will need to necessarily cut that out, but... Why did you guys activate that? They're fools. It's a good thing I didn't take that ammo. You can actually get up there by doing it like that. I don't think you necessarily have to transform for that, but I'll just do it since sometimes it looks like you might fall. Like there. Hey, no teleporting, Megatron. Fine. Why not? Bye, dude. And I'm keeping my promise from the last episode. Well, I will transform. It's not like I won't transform ever. Like, I will have to. It looks like it'll hurt. That didn't hurt now. Oh my god. You cheapskate. Come on. Oh well. Let's look at the feet. Wait, what? My god, no! No! That was not what I wanted! No! No! Let's see. Ow, so that hurts me. What? So I'm allowed to fall down from giant bridges that are way up high, but I can't go into fire? I should not be able to burn. What is this? Oh. I can't... That worked. Cutscene, don't care. Yeah, you guys sadly won't be seeing many cutscenes. Hey, it's Starscream. Hello, Starscream. I can fly. What? Are we supposed to be? You don't. What? Who are you shooting at? Oh. I still haven't used those grenades. Let's see. Would I be able to get back up there if I accidentally fell? Yes. I'm really glad that this game doesn't have speeding, like time limits, I mean. Hello? What? Who are you shooting at? Now's a terrible time to reload. Oh god! No, no, no! Man, that was a terrible time to get shot. Look at this ammo. Can I interact with these? Because it seems to have the color of interactions. No. No. Ow. Hey, Megatron. Never know when you might need ammo. Especially here. Oh, yeah, a heavy? That's not good. I don't like machine gunners. For one reason and one reason only. They get you stuck in corners. But the nice thing, you can steal their turrets. You die. Die to your brother. I heard a voice. I don't like it. I don't like this that much. Hi. That's what you get for reload. Left. I hit it! Yeah, I didn't really feel like it. We have been corrupted with Dark Energon and we somehow survived. Nobody else has. Oh no, where do we go? strong. Okay, so the light ones that are glowing we can shoot, I guess. No, that was a lie. Follow Megatron. Oh, hail Lord Megatron. I have to look up in the sky. I would move if I were you. How did? No. Did you see that? It was like glitched in the air. He's great. He shall be able to succumb soon. I will let him live. Oh, I wanted to shoot that guy. I don't really care. End scene. Whatever, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.